In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted documents from Google Drive. By watching this video, you will be able to recover your deleted documents from your Google Drive. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. I have posted a few videos about Google Drive which I think you don't want to miss anymore. The links in the description below. After this video, go and explore them. On our next video, I will show you a new tips or tricks. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start our today's video. Open Google Drive from your phone. After opening Google Drive on your phone, tap here for menu. On this Google Drive menu, tap on Trash. Here you will find the files and folders and documents which you have deleted from your Google Drive. Go down or up, find the file. When you find your file, tap the three dot beside the file name. Then tap Restore. Let's restore one more file. Our file has been recovered. Let's check on Google Drive. This is the file. This is the file which we have recovered. By this way, you can recover your deleted files from Google Drive. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, please give a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for our new videos. Thanks for watching.